Welcome YouTubers, it's Cardo. Just gonna do a quick vid today, just on the importance of periodically taking a look at your snowblower, opening up the belly pan, looking to see that everything's in good order. It's not going to be a maintenance video, just again an overview and why it's important to periodically look inside the machine to keep your machine in top order. This is about a 5-year-old Ariens model 921038 Platinum 24 SHO. Yeah, just looking at it, I opened it up a couple of years ago. It still looks pretty good. This has been greased, the shaft for the friction wheel drive rubber. I'm just seeing here, we see some rubber material in there. That's going to have to be wiped clean. I put a little grease on this GT transmission, the DI 300. You want to just get a little dab of grease, wipe it on here, run the wheels to distribute it evenly. Going to oil this chain here. I like to use oil. That's what Ariens recommends in lieu of grease. I know some people put white lithium on that, but it's supposed to be oiled, a chain. I'm also going to clean this friction plate, maybe with some brake clean, just to wipe it down. Took off the wheels. Axles are pretty good. Very important. You can see here there's some movement, so that's a good sign. You know, they're greased well. But I did take them off, wipe them down, put the key back in, and just made sure everything is in good working order. I did notice that the shave plate seems to be wearing pretty well. I did see the skid shoes. I wasn't too pleased that they are wearing unevenly here. It's closer to the side panel of the bucket on this side and this side, beginning to wear into the bucket a little bit, so you don't want that. Something I wouldn't have picked up if I didn't take a look at the machine. We just happened to have about an 18 to 20 incher here in the New York Metro burbs, so I opened it up and took a look. So I am going to have to adjust these. These are the poly skid shoes. Some people do like to keep it very low. They like that single stage close to the pavement cleaning. I don't like to do that. This is closer than I want to see. I am going to put this yardstick here, just like a 50 center over at Home Depot. Put it under the shave plate on a level surface, and then adjust these skid shoes accordingly so they're level, because this is too high. I may have to flip them if they're not perfectly level. At this point, they're probably wearing unevenly, so I am going to flip them over. But I just want to let you know that periodically try to open up your machine, make sure everything's in good working order. Could save you a lot of aggravation in the future, especially if these wheels aren't lubed and you got to change out a friction drive disc. You won't be able to get them off, and that'll make a relatively simple job a lot more complicated. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is not 1/8 of an inch. I mic'd it. It's about 2.365. So a little bit, let's say, between a 1/4 and a 1/5 of an inch. But good maintenance, proper maintenance does go a long way. And periodically take a look at your machine. Make sure everything's in good working order to save you a lot of aggravation in the future.